Should you day trade the S&P E-mini 500 E-mini futures, or should you day trade the micro E-mini S&P 500 futures? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. But before we begin, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe. So, which future contract should you day trade if you're going to trade the S&P 500 E-mini futures? Well, I think as a brand new trader or somebody who's been trading not for that long, definitely the micro E-mini S&P 500 futures, right? The reason is because for every 1 point in the micro future of the S&P 500 is $5, right? So if you have a $10 move higher and you're long, you're going to make $5 times 10 equals $50. Now, if you're wrong, okay, you're only going to lose $50. So your risk is not as great. While if you day trade the S&P 500 big future contract, that's $50 per point. So in the same scenario, if the market moves 10 points, you will now make $500, but if it goes against you, you will lose $500. Now, when I first started day trading the S&P 500, there was only the big contract. I wish when I first started there was the micros, because the micros would have really helped with my learning curve a lot better, I think, because I would have been able to not be as afraid to enter the market, because it is a big contract. It's almost like going to Vegas, right? And playing blackjack and walking up to the $50 blackjack table versus 50, and you only have a couple $100, right? And you don't want to lose it all on the first couple hands, right? You want to kind of slowly make money, be able to ride the waves up and down of the winning, losing, win, and hopefully you win more than you lose, but you're able to play a lot longer. Same thing with the S&P futures, right? And the micros. Now, my suggestion would be this. If you're going to day trade the micros, start with one micro. Get comfortable with it, right? And then as you start to trade more and more, you could actually start to go 2 micros. Don't go from one micro to one E-mini. Go from 1 micro to 2 micros. Okay, but real quick, if you like this, make sure you check out my S&P E-mini future trade zones and my 7-hour video course. Okay, it's only $99 for everything. I've been doing these trade zones, their support and resistance levels for the last 7 years. And you also get the 5 trading strategies I personally use on a daily basis in that video course too. So make sure you check out the link down below or go to daytradingfearless.com. But let's jump right back into the video. So with that being said, I would go from 1 micro. You're somewhat profitable, right? You could be consistent for a couple weeks trading 1 micro. Maybe you're looking for 5 points every trade, right? Then you go to 2 micros. Once you start and become consistent there, go to 3 micros. Right? And just keep moving the micros all the way up until you get to 10. And then once you're good enough and you're consistent as a trader with 10 micros, then I would go to the big future contract of the E-mini S&P 500, right? Because it's essentially 10 micros equal 1 big contract. So hopefully that helps of how you should trade or which S&P E-mini future you should trade. And just remember, it's all about managing risk and having a trading strategy, right? Trading is not that difficult. We tend to make it way more difficult than it needs to be. So hopefully these videos help. Leave in the comment any video topics you want me to make, and I'll try and make some in the future. But as always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.